Look what I've just got, guys, from the Wolves thing where I was telling you all about, where I get to meet the players. This is one of them, what I won off the raffle. I got to pick it. I won 4 times, but I gave away this one thing to this boy who really wanted one. So, yeah, that's one. And guys, this is another thing. Got a signed ball off all the players. Yeah, so that's another one. I'm going to show you the other one now. Then I won these on the raffle. Helder Costa's boots, what he uses, signed as well. Look, signed. Yeah, and that's it. There's this one last thing, which is the teddy that I won. That was only left. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, see ya.